am up and down, and round I am a circle. A circle is a set of points that are all the same distance from the center.
Welcome to Chapter 5. I am a circle. A circle is the set of all points in a plane center. This set of points is called a locus. Let us understand the diameter of a circle. A diameter is a line segment that passes through the center of a circle. It joins two points on the circle. The diameter is made up of two radii. Let us take a circle. A line passing through the center from one side to the other is called the diameter. In this example, the diameter is 10 centimeters. Let us understand the chord of a circle. A chord is a line segment joining any two points on a circle. The longest chord of a circle is called the diameter. The circumference is the distance around a circle. Aryabhata was a great Indian mathematician and astronomer. He studied numbers, circles, and the movement of the sky. In 499 CE, Aryabhata described a rule giving 62,832 equals 3.1416. Let us discover the length of a semicircle, a quarter circle, and an arc of a complete circle. For a central angle is half of a complete circle. Remember these key arc length formulas. Let us discover why the area of a circle is pi r squared. When the circle is divided into many equal sectors and rearranged, it forms a shape similar to a parallelogram.